Here's the app called Areum Science-Based Ratings. How attractive are you? So this kind of, I guess, kind of looks Maxine app, but it's a bit more science-based, where you have 3D face scan, and then it just turns it into clear, easy to understand report, measurable self-referential estimate of your facial features, calibrate the model, complete a guided 3D face scan, get your report, track your progress over time. And then you can just see the details in here. Get an unbiased facial score, every facial feature ranked, and discover who finds you most attractive. Yeah, it got some traction. It's getting high in the ratings. So then you can just tap get started. And then you can see the onboarding. And then here is the app, how you can just start, and then you can see how many credits you're having. Then you can just start scanning. You can see your face, how you scan. You can vote on this model, and that's the idea.